बच्चों आज हम ABC सीखेंगे और कलर नेम जानेंगे। A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z। Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5. Red color, light green color, yellow color, sky blue color, brown color, purple color, orange color. A is for aunt. B is for banana. C is for car. D is for duck. E is for egg. F is for frog. G is for gate. H is for hen. I is for ice cream. J is for juice. K is for king. L is for lemon. M is for monkey. N is for nest. O is for orange. P is for parrot. Q is for queen. R is for rat. S is for sun. T is for toys. U is for umbrella. V is for van. W is for watch. X is for extra. Y is for yak. Z is for zebra. Numbers. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5. Thank you बच्चों।